What's going on today, guys? This your boy Lil Run back with another video. It's about one but two apps that pay. No, I ain't saying they gonna make you rich and all that, but put a little extra change in your PayPal account. So check them out. Okay, so first we have an app called One Post. It's just a little quick, little kind of survey, but not survey app. Just answer a few quick questions. And like this one, which breakup glitches you had. Say it or say it to you. If you want to breeze through it. Or browse, select which one is for you. Or you just want to fly by it. Just so you can get your coins. But here I answer a few of them. Go to the next one. Agree or disagree. There's no way to break up with someone. Nice way. And then now it's over. You see I got 32 cents for that. It added to the cash out. You need $5. And then you can keep going with different ones. But you answer these posts to get your XP points up higher so you can receive more per post. But you have another one here which is called Q-Me, which is one of my favorite apps when I have spare time. As you can see, some of them pretty long. You get about $1.39 for this one, which I think it said 15 minutes. Nobody got time for that. So right now I'm just gonna show you the cash out process. And you see I did cash out. But you can cash out at the minimum if you got 1 cent. No minimum required. So that about wraps it up for today. If you like what you see, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, so you won't miss out when I upload a post. Until then, see you in the next one. Peace.